back to my channel. It's London. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're a part of the family, welcome back. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got this cute Valentine's Day look. I personally love this red lipstick. It's MAC, the Ruby Rue collection, or the Ruby Rue color. I think Rihanna came out with it, but I'm not completely sure. But I love this red lipstick. This is the only red lipstick that I wear, and I felt like this was very appropriate for the Valentine's Day look. So Valentine's Day is approaching, so I'm just showing you guys, you know, a quick, simple glam that you could do if you're going on a date, if you're dating yourself, if you're going out, you know. Do whatever you gotta do for Valentine's Day. If you want to get freaky, you can do that in this look too. So, if you'd like to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, we're gonna hop right into it, and we're going to do a Valentine's look. So, I want to keep it sleek and sexy, and basically do like a nude eye look or a soft glam look, but I want my lip to be very bold. So I already did my eyebrows. I don't know how I feel about them right now because they look a little crazy on camera. I just used the Ruby Kisses Gold Brow Sculpting Auto Pencil in the color Black Brown. So next what I'm going to do is moisturize my face. I'm using the e.l.f. Daily Moisturizer. It's very good for people with dry skin or have dry skin, and it works so good for me. So what are you guys' plans for Valentine's Day? Comment down below exactly what you're gonna do. I don't know what I'm gonna do for Valentine's Day as of yet. I didn't even put much thought into it actually. So my lips are gonna be dry, but that's okay. And if you're judging me, judge your mother, don't judge me. Okay? So as I stated, my skin is dry, so I'm going to use the e.l.f. Moisture Lock Primer, and it gets the job done. It smells so good. It smells like cucumber. Like, not the real cucumber, the authentic cucumber. I mean the fake cucumber scent. So I'm just going to pat that into my skin. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out if I want to start with my eyes first. I think I'm going to do my face first and not my eye. Alright, so I feel like this is going to be more of a drugstore foundation routine, or just a drugstore makeup routine in general. So don't be scared. You can go to Target, Walgreens, CVS to buy the same products that I'm using. So right now I'm taking the NYX Born to Glow foundation in the shade Mocha. It is orange. Oh wait, I'm getting a little too ahead of myself. So I'm going to color correct. And I just have a lot of dark spots on my face that I need to, you know, combat. So I use an orange color corrector. If you're a lighter skin tone, you should use a peach color on your face. So I'm just gonna blend that out. And honestly, I feel like I want my makeup to pop, so I'm gonna do under my eye because I want a bright under eye. So I'm just gonna cover any dark areas under my eye. So yeah, now that you color corrected, we're going to go in with the foundation and just apply that all over. And I'm using the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. This is great for a full coverage look. Now that your face is a blank canvas, we're going to go in with some concealer. So as I stated, this is going to be a drugstore routine. So I'm going to take the Revolution concealer in Defining will conceal and define full coverage concealer, and the color is C13. This used to be my favorite. It's a nice beige pinkish undertone, but I'm normally used to the yellow concealers. This is a more cool tone concealer. I like warm tone concealer. So I'm gonna just, you know, mix my concealers together. So to get your nose snatched, you're gonna want to highlight the side of your nose. I feel like I'm just gonna highlight my forehead just a little bit. So next I'm going to blend out my concealer before it dries all the way down. What I'm going to take is the Fenty Beauty setting powder in the color Honey. This is not drugstore, but there's many alternatives like the Maybelline Fit Me powder. And I'm just gonna make sure I set. The Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm gonna keep that right under my eye. Next I'm gonna set my eyelid. Now while my powder is baking, I'm going to go in with some eyeshadow. So as I stated, I wanted to do a soft glam, and I went on Pinterest and I found a look. It's the Color Story brand Mirage palette, and it looks like this. So it has very friendly colors in it. I'm gonna go in with the shade Jet Setter, and I'm going to apply that. This is the shade Jet Setter. I'm going to apply that in my crease. So I have to start higher up than the normal person because I have hooded eyelids. So I'm gonna tilt my head downwards so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna warm up my eye. It's a nice warm brown. Has a little bit of red undertones, but that's perfect. It's perfect for the look we're going for. So if you have hooded eyelids, this is the tutorial for you. So the next color I'm gonna take is the shade Mainland, and it's a dark brown. So I'm gonna take a more denser brush. This is a Wet n Wild brush. The letters rubbed off, so I don't know exactly what the name of this brush is, but I feel like it's a blending brush. And I'm just gonna pack that dark shade into my lids. Like, we need this look to really come through, because we need a Valentine's Day date. And then we're just gonna blend. so here's the fun part. We're going to cut our crease with a concealer. So I'm gonna use this Milani concealer in the shade 155, and it's in the shade Cool Tan. So for me, my tip to cutting my crease is I apply the concealer and then I look up, and that helps me cut my crease. Once again, I have hooded lids, so this is actually difficult for me. So my camera freaking overheated, but I just added in the shade Sunshine and the shade Sand and the shade Plage. So I've added that into the beginning. I don't even know what to call this, but I added it right here. Next, I'm going to do a cat liner. I really hate doing it on camera because it never comes out right, but we're gonna take it slow. First time, like, it really came out nice, and I just want to thank everybody for attending this video. Next, if you guys don't watch my videos, make sure you do, because I talk about this mascara all the time. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Length Waterproof Mascara, the best mascara out there. And we're going to add some mascara. But next, I'm going to bronze my nose, or aka contour my nose. I never contour under my chin, but I want to try and see how I like it, because I already have like a chiseled jaw. So next is the lip. No, I'm skipping. I feel like I'm skipping. Alright, let me just finish the face first before I jump into the lip. So, we're going to take the CoverGirl True Blend So Flush blush in the color Hot Frenzy. So I like to smile, because we're going to smile on our daylight. But I love blush. It's cute. But I love a blended brush. So I'm just gonna pat that in my face, because we don't want to look like our grandma. Alright, so after that, I'm gonna do my infamous beauty mark. Next, we're going to do a lipstick in the color Ruby Woo from MAC. This is the only red lipstick that I will ever use. Like, I've been using this lipstick since like 2016. So let me apply my lashes before, I absolutely forgot about them, before they freaking dry up. I feel like I could have went with less dramatic lashes, but I don't have any less dramatic lashes. So before I am done with the look, I'm going to spray my face once. I'm gonna use the Morphe Mini Continuous Setting Spray. Wait. I'm gonna highlight my nose, and I'm using the Milani highlighter in the shade, it's not even a highlighter, it's a Bronze Splendor Big Top. Okay, it's a highlighter in the color Bronze Splendor. So I'm just gonna do that, and I'm gonna highlight my Cupid's bow, and then my favorite part to highlight is in the corner of my eyes. That's it for the makeup look. Now I'm gonna go and do my hair. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but we're gonna tie this look all together. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Also, red lipstick just makes your teeth look so white. But I might wear red lipstick all the time, okay? So this is the finishing look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're into fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, join the family.